How do you like, are you scared of the camera? How do you like being interviewed? How do you like cheese? Cheese? Hey, how do you like cheese? Your teeth to yourself. He really doesn't want to walk. Come on! I have a biscuit! It's Coke. Come on, boy, yummy! Last night we heard a bit of a thump. I thought it was a robber. Turns out, this little guy was murdered by our window. What do you say, Boston? We did this. We did this with our clean windows. Should we have a funeral? Stay there if yes. Do something if no. Funeral it is. Let's find a shovel. Thanks for the help. This bird never knew. Never saw it coming. Any words? Okay.
Somewhere, baby, it's part of me, apart from me. You're laying waste to Halloween. You fucked it, friend, it's on its head, it struck the street. You're in Milwaukee off your feet. And once I knew I was not magnificent.